Hello, 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 welcome to another stream. Yeah, sorry for yesterday. Yeah, there was something coming up. That sometimes can happen, I guess. But yeah, let's get into it. So there's a couple of things I want to address today. One is go back to, damn it, to the ECS system, because that one should be hopefully an easy and quick fix. I basically thought about that thing a little bit more with the entity, and I do think I have an idea how to do it, which is basically like that. Where you have this. I'm not quite sure how I do the part of I think actually it probably is fine like that, right? Yeah, probably is fine like that. Maybe. Let's see. And then the thing I wanted to do is here. We basically build two different things here. One is an auto where we have a template type name entity query T. Well, actually, wait, let me think again. How did I want to do that? Yeah, probably like something like that. And then we have type name. Args. And then we have an entity query of entity query args. Why not done, right code? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Actually, hold on, we then have not like that. God damn it. But more like that. Where we have a void return type of entity query it's not how I want it, sorry. I want an anonymous function. Is it in callable? Probably. Or I have that. Yeah, something like that, right? I mean, maybe it's anyways that, I don't know. I'm kind of bad with those types. God damn it, I am really bad at that. C pointer function pointers are not my strength, not gonna lie. Ah, it's like that. So here the name, right? So that is the name. And then we have the args here. That's how it is, I think, right? But is that how I would want to have it? I'm not sure. It's void, return type, param types. So you're telling me it's not this? Oh yeah, so here, sorry, we return like that. We return the lambda here already. I don't think we need to take... I don't think we need to take anything. And then it's just that, right? Oh, well, yeah, maybe. Let's see. Function pointer would be int, function pointer int. Ah, okay, yeah. Yeah, but I mean, that's what I have, right? Here, void, I don't have a name for it because I don't need it. And then those are my arguments. So I have it, I think. Hopefully. That part I'm not quite sure about though. Not gonna lie. Does that work? I mean, can I have that as an in-place function? Does that work? Oh, it doesn't. Why would that not work is the other question. Oh, maybe I need to have core here. Yeah, that is... Maybe I need the name. I mean, we could have callable here, right? For now, if that helps. I don't think I need that though, but maybe I do. Ah, it's not a tuple. That is not a tuple. But I guess we can make it a tuple, right? Where is that? Ah, because of... No, shouldn't that work? Oh wait, no it doesn't. I'm stupid. Because here we need to give it the query. Which we have to build. Is it std tie or no cat or tuple cat? Or does that only take 2 tuples? Which one is it? Oh yeah, it would be tuple cat std make tuple query dependencies, and then that, or can we do an std forward as? Not quite sure. Or do I need to do that? Can't I maybe do callable query like that? Doesn't that work? Oh, well, we need to std forward. No, I want to forward that up. How do I do that? I always forget that. Maybe we want std apply, I don't know. Yeah, I will use std apply. I think it's another template that I could use to make it work. So that I don't do a tuple here. I think there is a way with like forward expressions. Probably. What? Isn't that entity? Oh, it's entity registry. That's a bit weird. Not okay. I think it should take the context. That's really weird. Why did I choose that? Does that still work? Doesn't look like it. Where is the problem? Doesn't want to invoke that or what? Why not? It's context and milliseconds. It's a query and... Oh, but... Wait, there is maybe... No, there is not, probably. Which ones are we registering again? It's probably one of those. Okay, maybe not that one. But which one can it be then? If it's not that one. Oh, it's the free cam system, right? Yeah. But I'm pretty sure I had some notes somewhere. Wait. I think I had it in my team somewhere. Because I took some notes during lunch someday. Where is my private chat here? Okay, I didn't. I took notes of some other stuff. Great. Oh well. Quit. Dead Island 2 is free this week. I think if I remember correctly, Dead Island 2 is not a game that I think I'm too interested. Yeah, I'm not such a shooter person usually. I say that, and I worked on Rainbow Six and played Rainbow Six quite a lot when I worked on it, and I enjoyed it, but usually not that much of a shooter person. Do I maybe... It's not that, right? You take a pre-game that Epic offers. That's fair, I guess. That's fair. Let's copy that in. I don't know. It doesn't really matter, right? It's a function pointer, so I don't think it matters too much. Maybe that fixes it. I think there was a different pattern how I can access that function pointer. I don't think I have to copy it. If I remember correctly, there was a way to use this template, probably up here somehow, to do that. Oh, okay, that already helps. Okay. Just taking a copy already fixes it. Yeah, whatever. It doesn't really matter, right? It's just a function pointer. So with that in place, I think we can do the other one, which is entity of this. Entity access T. Now we build an entity query with that, and now we do a for const entity Now we give it here an entity. We build our entity like that. And we probably do context registry. Maybe. Do we need that? Maybe not. Maybe we can build it out of the thing, right? So if we do where we save the view. Like that. And now we do here that. Then entities view get entity access T. Does that work? Not quite sure if that works. And then the thing would be, this would be basically this. Now we get a few T here in. Ah, no, it's not a few T, sorry. It's probably a tuple. Maybe. So maybe it's that, right? Not quite sure if it's that. It might actually be just type and other, and that broken up, right? Maybe. That's a little bit of a guess, to be honest. I don't know. Maybe. I really don't know what that is. I mean, maybe it's a tuple, right? It looks like it might be a tuple. Don't have that yet, but we will try. So let's try it with let's do it with the light system, right? Oh yeah, let's do it with the lighting system. In here. Let's try that one, for example. We take an entity here. Entity access. Entity. And then instead of doing that, just say entity get. And we take a spotlight and a transform component. That's auto. Okay, maybe not like that. Because it's a tuple, right? Oh, but no, wait, that's wrong. Why did I have it like that again? I wanted to have it like that. And then yeah, that works. Okay, yeah, good. Does that compare? Probably not. Did we not have... Okay, so that is not the type we want. What if we have that as public? Does it suddenly magically work because it can initialize it? Probably not, right? Oh, but did we even forward it correctly? No, right? So that needs to be like that. Because we need to forward the entity. That probably needs to be like that. Clang apparently has a bug in code base, tries to inline const marked params even though they can be overwritten. Okay. Clang or Clang CL? I mean, maybe it's the same, right? But maybe it's the same, I don't know. But yeah. See, here it already works like that. Okay, yeah, that is a tuple of that. Okay. So probably we need to return here lighting system. Couldn't do it like that. We have to do it like that, right? Oh, that's crazy. Why would you not want to work like that? Can I have it like that and then we just build it like that? Oh, we need the entity ID. Stupid me. Oh my god. We of course need the entity ID to get it from. So it might have actually accepted the constructor. Okay. And does that work now? So if we do that, get rid of that. See, and in that case, in this case, it probably isn't that smart. So let's actually revert that back, because I think here the query makes more sense because we want to iterate over all of them probably. I think in this case it makes more sense that we do that. And spotlight can be const as well. So we want to actually iterate over them like that. So in this case, yeah, I think it makes more sense to do it like that. For example, for the free camera, it doesn't matter. Why did I have that completely busted? Whatever. So that's camera entity access. And we have transform. This one is a const. And we should probably have it in the order that, like, it. I think it makes sense to have it like that. So that we have read access first and then write access, right? And then we get rid of that. And that, basically. And then we have entity. We have transform, free camera, and that equals this. And this goes away. This needs to be, unfortunately, a get for now. Oh. Nice. Oh. Like that. Oh. The transform is oh no, it's not const. Yeah. Enjoy your chess. Yeah. Not a whole lot to say there, except for enjoy your chess, I guess. I mean, now we pay right away. Let's clear that. Gets checkmate in 12 moves. It's probably 12 more than I would be able to do. Okay, maybe I don't know. 12. I don't know. 12 sounds not so much, but I think I could stall it for more than that, but it's probably not very good to do that, right? All right, perfect. So with that, do we still have a camera that's working? No. Perfect. Do we have a card here? Yes, we do. And we do get stuff. Is it maybe copying? No, right? It might be copying. Is it because we put down here that const. Wanna test your thesis? I don't know. I I mean, we can try, but I'm really bad at chess. Like, really bad. So I get the entity stuff here. I probably get the correct thing here. Maybe we do std forward as tuple, I don't know. Now we do maybe here std. Nah. I don't know, that will probably not do a whole lot here. It's something with the type, it somehow copies it. Maybe we do entity get. No, we want, no, never mind. We want the thing, right? We want this to be. All right, let's try it. Am I white? Yeah, I'm white, I guess. Yeah. Otherwise, I wouldn't be done, I guess. That was already not so good. Never mind. Could have done that better. Damn, that worked. Oh my god. Let's not talk about that one. But I think I already made my 10 moves, or I'm not sure. 12, yeah. I did it. Success story. Alright, alright. Let's see if we can fix our compile error as well. Or no. Maybe not compile error, but copy error. So what? That's not probably not what I want. Lighting system, indeed point proven. Yeah, but then I was blind and sacrificed my own one for like no literal reason because I didn't look long enough. But that was planned, the queen bait, but yeah. That was, I think, the only thing that was planned. Do you have a rating? Like, do you play more often, or is it this very just casual thing? I'm not like an expert, but I know, like, if you tell me your rating, I can somehow gauge how good that is, I guess, but... light entity. Okay, so this is references. And that's exactly what I want. So can I get the type of that somehow? So what if I do auto T? And then if I do const, well, if I then dereference those. Okay, wait, hold on. Like that. And this is an auto of tuple. Then this is still that, and then hopefully I can specify that type. Okay, but why? Oh, maybe I need to in entity when we do that. Maybe we leave that out. Does that work? On rapid blitz. Oh, okay, 1700 is, I think, quite good. I mean, I don't know the what correspondence is, but that's nice. Yeah, I never really got that much into chess. I don't know. Just didn't really appeal to me too much, I think, but I can see why it's fun to do, right? Okay, let's do it different then. Let's not do it like that. For the entity, we take the entity ID and we take the view probably as either we take the query or we take the view directly. Guess we could take the view. For simplicity, let's take the query for now. And then here what we do is mQuery get view get. You're a regional snooker, and what's Karom? Snooker I know, but what's Karom? Oh, okay. It's this game or what? I think I saw that already. But I never played it. Oh, or maybe not never, I don't know, maybe as a kid I played it somehow, someone. But I wouldn't say that I can remember that I did. Was it the Chinese or what? I don't know. Oh, okay, that looks Chinese, yeah. Oh, okay. Why is it in German? What the hell? I've never said that it should be German. So not this one or what? Oh well. But those are the only ones I find. Billiard. Karom billiard. Okay. So it's that. Okay. What is that? Is it just a normal? Okay, maybe I need to look at it in German. I think I can remember. I think I know what it is. But isn't that very similar? Maybe I'm like stupid, but isn't that very like? I think I saw it once. Isn't it very similar to snooker? I mean, I know snooker is different, but I know in snooker you have all the different colored balls, and you can like declare which one you put in next and get points based on the color and stuff like that. But I think to remember to seeing that with only the red ball, and that looks like that, and it basically is. Okay, no, I have no idea what it is. Never mind, I'm watching a video. I have no idea what's happening. Oh wait, wait, maybe I understand it. Let me put it here. It's on Wikipedia. So now she has to hit all three, or what? Okay, no, I don't quite understand it. Ah, okay. Wait, okay. If you okay, so it has to 1, 2, 3, and then it can hit. What? No, I think I would need to read the text for it to understand it. Bars can only touch the other after ball has meets free context with the cushions. Okay, I mean maybe I understand it. I think I would need to read the rules. Okay, so that now makes more sense. Good. But then in this case, I think we want to have read and write like that defined. It doesn't really matter. It's more, I don't know. Yes, or you can hit and do 3 cautions and hit again. Ah, okay. Okay. So it's, I mean, it's of course not like snooker, but it has like, I would say, a similar skill set. Because I do think that like in snooker, I can see why you are good at snooker and then good at that, so let's put it that way around. That makes a lot of sense. Twitch is really delayed. I would understand if YouTube is really delayed. I'd never heard that Twitch is delayed. Why would that be? Let me check the settings. Not that I think I can find something quickly, but settings. I'm never sure where that even is. There is no delay set, but okay. Maybe I have something in Twitch, but really 45 seconds. Holy, I will look at that for sure. I will look at it at the second machine next time before starting or something like that. That's weird. On OBS it says like 0 seconds, but then again that's on my end, right? So oh wait, so that's query, and then that's entity ID. Awesome. Ah, we have it back. Perfect. I wonder if I can make it still work somehow. What if... So that works. Let's keep that in mind. I want to try one more thing where we do that and we take a tuple of that basically. Although, do we want that? Because the benefit of this version is that we only request the ones we want, I guess. No, let's leave that, yeah. But I think what I would want to have is the type. So let's specify that type. Okay. So that's basically where using view_t as well is an int basic view of int get t of t with entity oh, okay, maybe not. I'm not quite sure how I would want to do that. Like that. That's entity registry, like that. Speaking of billiards, do you remember if there is any old school gentleman's club British pub near Barcelona? No, not really. Mainly, I think we went once for a company event somewhere where they had billiard, but it was a really shitty place, so I wouldn't want to recommend that. Didn't think it was particularly good. But I can definitely poke some of my old colleagues. Definitely don't want that. Yeah, whatever. So does that still work? Oh, but then probably that would need to be a const. It's like that. Incomplete type. Why would that be incomplete? Okay, that's just exclude T right there. For what? Okay, and then entity registry T storage. But isn't that a void? Yeah, I don't want to ship my 22k euro insurance value billiards gear if I'm not gonna use it. Yeah, that's fair. Damn, that's a lot of money. But wasn't in that system? God damn it, we kinda got rid of that. I think maybe in the scene editor I can still do it. Or maybe not. Ah, I can. Here, specify type. Oh, okay, and then end exclude T like that. Okay, okay, okay. So that's how I want to do it. Divide 9k over 7 years and 13k over 10 years. Okay, I mean, yeah, then it's not that much, I guess. But I mean, it's still... But I mean, any sports is an expensive hobby, I guess. Because I know that I spent quite a lot on paddle stuff as well, paddle tennis. I mean, not that much, right? But still. Okay. Why would you be const? Why would you be a const camera component? Oh, because of that. Okay. It's a lot upfront to start with billiard, but it pays off. Yeah, I can see that. I mean, I always enjoyed billiard, just like, you know, I don't know, yeah, not like professional, right? But drinking and then drinking and playing a bit of beer. Billiard. Drinking and playing a bit of beer. God damn it. But yeah. Yeah, that makes perfect sense, right? If you are like competitive in that sort of sense, then that is that makes perfect sense. Okay, what the hell is going on? Maybe I spent my whole day with that one, with that system, even though I thought I only spent a couple of minutes with that. Ah, is it here maybe? So we get the view, and now we have a material component, which is probably fine. Although for some reason it's not. Why would that be a thing, right? To begin with, why do we have that here? It doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Okay, yeah, I mean, I guess. Where the hell? Transform and material component. In volume component or what? Where was that? Is it that we... Oh, wait. Maybe that's garbage, right? And then... we should include those first and then that. Even though, I mean, maybe that's... See, I am confused. So why is that here? Ah, because, yeah, we have the same stupid thing again. Really? Volume rendering. Wasn't it volume rendering? Oh yeah, this. And then... like that. Does that fix it? Wait, I already have one. Oh, God damn it. Then... we maybe... Ah, God damn it. Okay, let's do that then for now. I will clean that up, but... I mean, I guess I could have just called. Yeah, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Cannot convert argument 1 from that to that. Okay. Where did we... So that one should be this, right? But then in here... Nope, not that one. Game core. Really? But it's here. And it's a execution context. What are you smoking? Oh, what? Why would that be a thing? What? I mean, that's all nice and good, but why? What the hell? Ah, it was this. But why would that be a thing? Why would it suddenly try to access that? Why does my game core stuff suddenly fail? Ah, because we're not in Is it because... no, maybe not. Maybe we need to include game core here. Just so that it works. Yeah, okay. I will put it to do here. All right. So I think we have that. We hopefully are still able to load the scene. We are able to navigate. That one works as well, which is a new thing I added. All right, so I think I have everything. I do think as well though that the volume systems are a good thing that I would want to change, in the sense that volume render, volume entity access, and this, because we don't really need, and I think that's read only access, right? Mostly. That one is read. And now we have the write. Which unfortunately, let's do it to do here as well. Material component should be read access. And then we can get rid of that. And then we do entity. Get auto ref volume component, material component. Beautiful. That already is like way nicer. And then we can do a batching in the background if we want to, right? Because at that point it doesn't really matter anymore what we do. And then we have this one, and that one is, we have volume source. Well, that one we probably leave for now, but in reality we probably want entity access as well instead of views. And then the query is like the most expensive one, right? Because we potentially have a lot of entities in there. I think the transform we're just reading, right? So that should be const. The volume component we change. Does that work? Oh, that works. It's like beautiful. Alright, so that's that. Well, that didn't quite work. What? Oh, because we clear here. Can I get the frame context? Probably not, right? Although, is that already a thing where I can get everything? I think it is. Oh, but graphics API. Get frame context. I definitely want to find a better solution for that. Alright, and then the graphics API needs to be put in here, and that should do the trick, hopefully. Oh no, we shouldn't be resetting our stuff. We could do a system that runs at the start of the frame and clears that, right? That might be actually the cleanest. Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. So that works. And then the last thing I wanted to look at today is not this beautiful debug thing, but I mean that works as well, which is nice. Those are the clusters for the UI, for the light rendering. What I wanted to look at is exactly couple of things in RenderDoc. So bear your eyes for this beautiful white UI. Because I'm wondering if I go there, projects, hybrid rendering, assets, scenes, and then open that one. Now we have a camera here, yeah. And then if I put that at 2 and 2, then we start that. Then we should be further up. Maybe, but we have as well. Oh, we have a look at as well, okay. That's weird, right? This weird thing, but okay, whatever. Let's take a snapshot. Because what I'm actually interested in is what we put in here as the view matrix. But that's not straight up. That's not straight up the what did I wanted to say? It's not straight up the God damn it, words today. Is it the model view projection that we were looking at here? No, right? It's not the same. No, it was not. Oh god. Oh, let's kill that. It's killing my machine. No, it's not the same. Oh, but the view matrix, it's maybe that because we are rotated. right? So if we do rotation 0, 0, 0. Oh, that's not it. Camera target. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Maybe that makes it nicer to look at, I don't know.